Put it back in again. Right over the other side. Put it back in again, right over the other side. Turn it back the other way. So I've got 20 that way, out, across, right across the other side, turn it back. 19, so flex it over a little bit. Okay, that's 19 and a half, 19 and a half. So, always take it back, always turn it forward, take the slop out of the chain. Zero. Always try and get that pointer and the piece of wire in line with the block, straight up and down, even though these things lean over. Straight up. Now Datsun motors, these cam posts here expand more than what a valve expands. So your clearance opens up by about 2 thou hot to cold. So what you have to do is you have to get number 6 and you have to set the clearance at hot running clearance. So whatever is on your cam card, you can see if it says hot or cold. If it says cold running clearance, you know you're going to be open your clearances up about another 2 more thou for hot running clearance. Alternatively, if it says hot running clearance, just set the valves cold at that clearance so you know what you're playing with. Turn your motor around till those 2 lobes are at the top, or not. Get a straight edge like a verniers and put it there and see where your valves are. You can see that's virtually straight up and down along with the motor. Straight up and down would be about there. What you do is you go 2.5 degrees before top dead center for the split pattern camshaft, because it's 5 degrees difference between the 2 of them. So that's 5 degrees is 2.5 degrees. So 2.5 degrees, drive side of the chain. Check your valves and set it up at the same point again. So I did a little bit more on the intake. So you adjust your sprocket or put in a different hole on your multi-drilled sprocket until you get that slightly more. Oh, it's pretty close. Just straight up and down there. If I now turn it to 0, if you have a look now, you'll see there's more lift on the intake rocker than the exhaust. It's about 20 thou I've measured before, and that's your camshaft setup.